Good. Let's see. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. I hope you're doing well. Where my webcam is not working there. Let's see. Let's see if my webcam is coming back. Yes, all good is there. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to this new trading session, and we're ready to go. Ready to go, guys. Already here come out a beautiful setups there, guys. Market open, pushed as hell. Beautiful setup there. It came out to be difficult setup. Wait, to remind myself. For the live stream, what's the nice? Today was beautiful. What is nice today? It's nice, yeah. It was a beautiful setup here, but it was difficult to take, to be honest. You know, even in the 1 minute chart. I'm gonna put here the line of these levels here before, and we're ready to this one, and we're gonna wait. We're gonna put a VWAP. Change the color. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well, guys. Everything good. Life is good. If you have any question as well with the Apex things, you're welcome. I have to change the I did mistake. Here. 85% on Apex, guys. That's the discount right now in Apex. 85% is gonna get you the promotion of $29 for the end of the day account and $19 for the trailing one. No, 17. No, this is 25k account. Yeah. Oh, even yeah, $19 for the 50k account and $29 for the end of the day account. Guys, we are here to go. Hello, Atis. Hello, Mufti. Right now, waiting for the setup to see what is gonna form. Here, a beautiful one it created was a beautiful setup here. Fake of this flag lower, but unfortunately to take this one was a break of these, and would have been hard to grab along in this situation. Grab along here would have been a big risk for this reward. It didn't make sense. Then you have to leave it there run. So risking a few $100 there. Bit too much dangerous, I would say. Previous day's highs there, or previous market high, pre-market high there. Previous market high, we're just doing it right now. Getting them out. Let's go to the daily chart and see. Okay, can you? I guess my chat doesn't want to load. Okay. Thank you for the moment. It's still pushing there. Nice push. Okay, finally did it. Previous day's high is still far away at 97, so we still have almost 200 points there. We grabbed all these lows, come back. All these lows of this consolidation here, we grab them back. We can come back at the top of the range here at 100s, at the previous day's highs here. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna remove this one. So probably this can be the next target, but still complicated, I would say. How are you guys? How are you, everyone there? How is it going? If you have any questions, I'm here, guys, to help you as much as I can. And if I don't know the answer, I will just forward it, get the answer, and then give it to you in Discord. As always, no problema. I need a coffee. And yesterday, the fact yesterday I stayed awake all night to make the videos, the live stream, and I end up staying awake so much that I'm like dead. So I'm like cooked, to be honest. I'm literally cooked. So today is surviving day for me, to be honest. Really surviving day. Waiting for the long to provide me a long. I'll just like longs right now. Don't see possible shorts. See, it's a bit hard for me to take a short right now. From the opening, even from the opening, there was no actual opportunity for me to take shorts, to take entries. The only one I was thinking, this one after grabbing this low, but even that one, the 1 minute here, was after 10 a.m. Probably it's something that happened at 10 a.m. and that was not easy even to grab. So there is nothing to hate on ourselves of missing nothing. So that is important things to remember ourselves. Pushing there. Market quite nicely pushing there. Quite nicely pushing there. What's up, Roivoko? Yes, new Apex rules. You have a questions? I'm here to help you if you want. And seems that there is some problems, I think, on the Apex website. Huh. Yes, if you have questions, we have end of the day drawdown and trailing drawdown products. End of the day, I think, is the best one between the two. But for me, I still have the old ones. So the one you see above is still my old valuation legacy one. My drawdown is, I burned $1,000 from these accounts like idiot. Like, I'm still pissed about Friday, guys, because Friday I could have traded much better and I just messed up totally messed up. I still am like, what the heck I've done to do something like that? Why this quant tower takes 1 hour to load the freaking data? Come on. My connection is good. Everything's good. What the heck is your problem? Come on. Trying to be relaxed here, but these things does not load my freaking data. They just load in 5 days instead of 3 days. The other charts are totally in time. You're not even delayed. Usually they are delayed. Now they're not delayed at all. Yeah, significant delays detected. Yeah, thank you so much. I noticed it. Can you work? Can you actually work? I'm gonna choose a different servers. Maybe it's that one. I'm gonna go with Apex Europe. Epix Frankfurt is perfect because it's the closest server to me, but I'm gonna change it to Epix Europe. I don't know where is Epix Europe server. Maybe it's still Frankfurt. I'm connecting right now to that one. Maybe that is it's gonna make it better for me. If someone of you guys is in Asia in a month, in Bali, let me know because I will be there for a long time. Oh, finally. So we have now, what really pissed me off on Friday is this one. I missed a trade and I took a shitty trade afterwards. And then some good setups came after longs. Like this one, I think was the best one. Beautiful break of this, holding the view up as well, coming and grabbing these lows. That was a beautiful continuation long. And I totally, just because I took a shitty trade here. Yeah, I mean, I could not take this trade anyway, but this was the correct trade for me to take. And I was like, freaking out. So that's why I have to be relaxed, is that I can just wait and a good setup will come. How are you guys? Look at the 10 a.m. and 10 a.m. candle. Yes. Mufti, did you take a trade? These candles were interesting candle here. We lost 60 points and they grabbed them back 77 at the highs. This was a beautiful grab here and reversing there. Did you take any trade? Good morning, Express. What's up? How are you guys? I'm trying to be relaxed to don't take any trade because I messed up already 2 days consecutively. Let me try to get a good trade today. Let's try to get to some freaking payout. It's time to get to a payout. It's time to get to a payout. It's time to get a payout. Let me get the 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 payout. No trades yet, bro. I was kind of short buys, so I waited. Apparently, market doesn't give a shit about what I think. Our market does not give a shit about the war, about anything. That's what I honestly came into my mind yesterday when we opened here, and we literally didn't do anything. During my live stream, I was like, this market does not give a shit. For the moment, it's not the moment of the market to correct. Literally, it's just like, yeah. There is a war, but the market still looks good, at least for Nasdaq. For petrol, I didn't check petrol, to be honest. Let me see petrol here. Maybe I should not change any more instrument. I think changing instrument is my problem right now in 1 hour. I should update the freaking platform. Yeah, let me don't change any more instrument. That seems the freaking problem right now here. Go on me Fayaz. Good morning, everybody, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I want to take one good trade, risk $400, $500, and get it done. But now I'm waiting to see it coming for me. It's maybe this very quick one from here. Nah. It would be crazy that something like that will be a first trade. Like your one trade idea is so yeah, man, I like it as well. No stress, and it makes me focus to one good setup. One good setup, and then I call it. What's the main difference between intraday trail and end of the day? I'm thinking about buying more accounts and what to be clear on it. To be honest, the difference mostly is one will have your trading drawdown moving all the time with the unrealized position, and one at the end of the day. So this is the biggest difference. The other two differences is that the trailing one have a little bit more payout, maximum payout you can request for each request, and less requirement for the 5 trading days as a minimum balance, and that's it. Between the two, I prefer the end of the day, on the fact that they have the same trailing, literally the same amount. One is $2,000 and the other one is $2,000 for the 50K account. If it was $2,500, I would have told you trailing is good if you have good risk management. But the fact of they have the same, literally the same, I would then tell you go for the end of the day, because literally they have the same drawdown. So for me, it does not make sense. If there were $500 more, so for example, with the old products, Apex was providing you $500 more, and I think that $500 was crucial to make the trailing not existing if you had good risk management. This can be a little long if you were something super aggressive, taking this little long here, but I would like to have just a better trade. Even this one is not bad. I will just prefer this one here. Taking this long here, risking. Yeah, you have to go big sides here because it's very small candles. $364 to make 440. Very good deal with Apex. I think it's very good. It's matching a lot of with competition, but with lower price and with the possibility then to go live. So let's see how it evolves, because for me it's a lot about a big prop firm. What does it do? It checks the environment, what other prop firms will do to respond, right? And I think that is the great things, and it's a win for all of us customers, right? Of this world of trading, right? We want to have the best deal with the prop firms. Just remember how much they were expensive just a few years ago, and how much now they are affordable. Big difference. Oh, luckily I didn't take a long there. Okay, guys, let's see if we can grab a long here. This is a beautiful retest area. This is a beautiful retest area here as well. Wow, okay. Maybe if it wants to come here, I'm fine with it. Yeah, I mean, the most ideal rules were MAE and other things. Now you have daily loss limit and stuff like that that kind of limit you in a way, but are not difficult to intercept. Like for example, MA rule, you are the trader that needs to be careful. Daily loss limit, no, the system will lock your account. Scaling, before Apex was telling you don't use more than 50% on your first part. No, then okay, you were scared of the 50%. We're gonna block your accounts, contracts until you reach certain balance and unlock you the remaining. So another things can be that's it. That's the most two things, because the other ones are 5-to-1 risk reward. It allows you 5-to-1 risk reward right now. And what else? Yeah. Apex is a predator. I don't know. Every prop firm play the games. Yeah, no, I think it's. Oh wow. Ooh, wow. Oh wow, guys. Wow. Ooh, la 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 la. I don't think I will get filled, but I don't want to get late on this trade. I'm long. Might get cooked by it, but let's see. If I get cooked by this trade, oh my god. Okay. I could have gotten even a better feel. I speak Spanish? Yes, I do speak Spanish. Enough. Tradovate did not come out with lockout because of the big updates Apex came, and they were like, don't interfere the updates, and let's move them after. So that is the reason, Mufti. I got that on last Friday. Come on, can we get this push? I don't like that, guys. I don't like that. No, the lockout, I don't think it's done in purpose. That is Tradovate side, 100%. I can tell you that 100%. The Tradovate lockout is something from Tradovate. Guys, I'm thinking to call myself out of this trade. Come on, market, push there. Come on, push, 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 push. I'm out, guys. I'm gonna call it out. I trade gold and no, I don't trade gold, guys, and crude oil. I don't trade them. I'm gonna call myself out. Call it $244 there. Just I don't like it anymore. Gonna move this as here. And I'm gonna wait for this to come back and grab another low before taking another long. So I cut it in advance and I allow myself on one more trade if I get a signal. But I don't like this that did not push right away. If that what had to push, I had to do it right away. So we're gonna wait. Yeah, I don't trade oil, I don't trade gold. I'm already bad with NQ. If I had another instrument, I will be bad in both. That's the conclusion of it. Why being bad at two things when it's enough that you're bad at one? Thanks God, I let myself out from that trade. Wow. 15 minutes behind. Okay, right now it's breaking lower. Let's see if it's gonna hold and come back. If we come back above this 888 area, I will get long. Somewhere there. Okay, bad fill. Let's see. Looking for this long again. And this is gonna be my last trade, guys. This is why you get stop loss, because I was long, man. And as well got a bad fill right now. Let's see if I get this one, it's gonna stop me out. If this one stop me out, totally bad reads today. Nothing to say. Probably is gonna lose around $550, $600. Making the accounts close to blow up, especially the second one. Usually every time it grabs some lows, it can push a little bit, but literally nothing. Wow, okay. We're gonna get destroyed, guys. I'm gonna get destroyed. You know, but me, yes. Hold for the deers. Hold, please, hold. Go back. Go back. Okay. Not my day. One amazing way to start this Monday is getting destroyed by the market. That's best feeling ever. How do you like it? I like red days where I don't get any action correct. And goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my dream. It was beautiful. I lost $654. Wow, much more than I wanted there. Much more than I wanted, guys. How much still have from the drawdown? That's crazy. It's so annoying. So freaking annoying here. Yeah. AMSA got destroyed, guys. AMSA got destroyed. Morning, Jose. Welcome to see my fall. I'm opening my iTrader Pro to understand where the heck is my account situation. My account right now has $590 on the second account and $500 on the other one. Also, okay, we have one more trade, one more day of trading on these accounts, and then the PAs are gone. Wow, and it's a pain in the ass because the new ones to activate them is gonna be $125. Crap. The fact is that I traded well until Friday, and then Friday I messed it up. I have to say that from the hourly chart, we're below the market here. So I should have kept this market. I should have kept this high market highs to keep a direction. Probably I should have done that. Here this long is still fine. Probably this long even, I don't know, but probably even less. The fact that we did not hold any more pre-market highs and start to come low That was heavy, I think. And right now it got me. It got me. Got destroyed. If you have other questions, guys, about Epix, I'm here to help you. Look at this. Maybe it's the time these things will go long. I swear to you guys. You this year? Yeah, okay. Good luck, Light. I see you. Yes. Accepting loss is a big thing. Unfortunately, it's hard. As much as it sucks, it's hard to do it. I do believe the market might continue higher because of the massive push we have. This massive push here. But who freaking knows? But I still like the idea of longs, but it got me. Not even after these buyers getting faked out, coming for the second attempt, nothing. That's so annoying. That's so annoying, guys. That's so annoying. Yeah, winning is easy, losing is hard. How good we are to when we get green days to celebrate with friends, and how bad we are to show our friends that we are right in the day. After the 6 payout, your account gets closed, you request your last 6 payout, and you restart again from evaluations. If Epix, for example, says, okay, you're trading with 4, 5, 6 accounts, Epix will just allow you to buy new evaluation and keep going with that. If Epix sees like, oh, you got to 6 payout and we like how you are trading 15 PAs, 20 PAs with good risk management and good risk, they will move you to live. How is the live moved is not yet decided. It's coming soon in the website. Yeah, but it's a very bad habit this year, 100%. This year is not bad. It's bad if you do it without rules. It's bad if you do it in the wrong way. It's good if you do it with some parameters. Moving to Forex again? Oh my God, no, never moving to Forex anymore. Actually, I never done Forex and I will never move to Forex. Develop a strategy around it. Yeah, I would say I will allow myself to average down at these certain levels to allow myself. Look, right now it's finally coming back. Why piece of crap? Why not here? Why? Piece of crap. Thanks, Mufti. Finally, you're shorting. Always long. Market always goes up. Market always goes up, guys. Longs here, ghost of doubt. Long here, ghost of doubt. And at the third long, this goes away. Start to move. I should have looked as well at ES to confirm myself on the long. I should have looked at ES as well. Not easy trading day, yeah? Not easy day, to be honest. Not easy day. Not easy day. Not easy day here. I could have avoided and wait for a better setup. It's okay. Yeah, there was some learning lessons here. I think it will go green. Look how it's right now pushing nicely. Buyers are only there. Sellers are getting stopped out. All these sellers. I think it will go green. Guys, I'm gonna go. I wish you the best. 85% with Apex there with the new products using my code Hamza. Thank you for supporting the channel, guys. Love you all. And see you tomorrow at the live stream. Unfortunately, I've traded shit today. I need to make some changes. Not sure. I will figure it out again. See you around, guys. Love you all.